Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 8K HDMI 21 cable, 48 gigabits per second 8K 60Hz 4K 120Hz for Sony IL review strength and performance. When building a serious video production system, most creators focus on cameras, lenses, monitors, and storage. However, one of the easiest places to lose performance is often overlooked: the cable connecting your expensive equipment. Check the video description for the updated price link. A powerful cinema camera such as the Blackmagic USA Mini Pro 12K, Sony ILME, FR7, Canon EOS R5 or other professional imaging systems deserves a connection solution that can actually handle the amount of data these cameras produce. The 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, 48 gigabits per second 8K 60Hz 4K 120Hz left bin micro HDMI to HDMI is designed for creators who understand that reliability matters. This is not just another cable purchased as an afterthought. It is a piece of professional equipment designed to protect your workflow, maintain signal quality, and help your camera system perform without unnecessary limitations. As a coach who believes investing inches quality gear, I always recommend looking beyond the main device. A premium camera paired with a weak connection can create frustrating issues such as dropped signals, unstable monitoring, or inconsistent playback. A properly designed HDMI 2.1 cable becomes an important foundation for a dependable production environment. 48 gigabits per second ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.1 performance. The biggest advantage of this cable is its ability to support extremely high bandwidth transfer. With up to 48 gigabits per second capacity, it is built for demanding video formats, including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. For filmmakers, this means smoother monitoring, improved compatibility with high-resolution displays, and better support for next-generation production equipment. Professional cameras generate massive amounts of visual information. Every frame contains detail, color data, and motion information that must travel quickly and accurately. A cable that cannot keep up becomes a bottleneck. This HDMI 2.1 cable is designed to remove that weak link. Micro HDMI to full HDMI compatibility. Many compact cinema cameras and mirrorless cameras use micro HDMI outputs because of their smaller body designs. The challenge is finding a cable that combines compact camera compatibility with full-size HDMI connections for monitors, recorders, and display equipment. The micro HDMI to HDMI configuration makes this cable suitable for connecting cameras like the Canon EOS R5 and other professional hybrid systems to larger production equipment. The left bin design is especially useful because it helps reduce stress around the camera port. Left angle connector design. Small design choices often separate consumer accessories from professional tools. The left bin connector helps maintain a cleaner camera setup by directing the cable naturally along the camera body. This reduces unnecessary strain on the HDMI port and keeps rigs more organized. For filmmakers using cages, gimbals, shoulder rigs, or external monitors, cable management is important. A straight connector can create awkward pressure points, while an angled design provides better flexibility. Designed for high-end camera equipment, this cable is marketed toward demanding video environments involving cameras such as the Blackmagic USA Mini Pro 12K, Sony ILME, FR7, and Canon EOS R5. These cameras are built for professional production, so accessories must match their capabilities. Whether you are recording, monitoring, reviewing footage, or building a studio setup, the connection between devices should be stable and dependable. A quality gear mindset means thinking beyond today's project. A cheap cable may work initially, but professional creators need equipment that can survive repeated setups, transportation, and daily use. This HDMI 2.1 cable focuses on durability through its construction and connector design. The reinforced connection points are important because HDMI cables often fail near the ends where bending and pulling occur most frequently. For production teams, reliability has real value. A failed cable during a shoot can waste time, interrupt creative flow, and create unnecessary stress. Investing inches dependable accessories is part of building a professional workflow. Check the link in the description to get yours today.